Just trying to get up in your pants and do the little naked dance. I've never seen you in anything other than athletic gear.
I think it's comfortable.
You think to me, it's like if if a terrorist came in and was like, you have to run a 100-meter sprint right now in the clothes you're in, you would be fine. And everyone else would be dead.
See, you're proving that my logic is good.
I haven't seen you in a while. It's been weird.
I know. Well, we took a week off, to come up with some new material. And
Yep, and it didn't work, and we're here.
Yep, so now here we are, cooking up some new drama. I don't know. Do you got a thing?
Fucking hate your sticks. I'm gonna give you A and B.
A and B?
A and B. You gotta
pick
A.
Would it be Canadians?
Hey, bro.
Hey.
Hey, bro. What's the best accent you can do? This is unrelated. Hey, bro.
Probably a bit British footballer.
British boy. A rich British boy.
After you play FIFA for a long time, you hear the commentators.
Does it really help you?
What?
FIFA? FIFA, bro.
Well, like, it's all commentated in English accent.
Where you from, bruv?
And like, since shut up,
bruv. Where you from, fam?
You asked me a question, and I'm answering it.
You from Brexit, boy? Brixton, Liverpool.
Do you even know where Brixton is?
No.
All right.
You're not doing the accent anymore. Okay. A and B question. Do you think if our society was based on our hair, do you think I would A, be deported, or B, be the president?
Deported.
Fuck! Why?
It's sexy, but not like...
I think you would be an average citizen.
Yeah.
You would just be the same, you'd just be the same person.
Cool.
I would be...
Same social status?
Yeah, I would be deported. Why deported?
I just don't think you'd be president.
Well, it's one of the
those are pretty drastic.
No, it's one or the other.
I mean, it's mullet, so like it's American, so I guess you wouldn't get deported, but you wouldn't be president either.
No, it's one or the other.
Okay, deported then, because you wouldn't be president.
Presidents have like your friends succeed.
Presidents have like
you want to see your friends get deported. The president in the future will have played and won many games of Fortnite. Okay, He will have done the dance. He will have teabagged. Well, maybe not teabagged. He will have danced on your grave, buddy.
I don't like that.
You don't like what?
I don't like that.
They just play Fortnite.
I don't like Fortnite.
Well, good. Women Fortnite. Sorry.
I don't know that song.
Yeah. It's British boy.
British boy.
You know what I don't like is British people are like, your food sucks. And yes, British people do have better candies than us. But they also eat peas on bread.
They do?
They eat peas and gravy with fucking fat potatoes.
I went to the British restaurant today.
What'd you get?
Coffee.
Beans and toast? That's disgusting.
Beans and toast?
Yeah.
No, I got coffee.
I know, but I'm saying beans and toast is gross. That rhymes. Beans and toast is gross.
Beans, toast is gross.
Beans, toast, gross. That is gross. What do they have on the menu there?
Yeah.
They have on the menu?
I don't know.
You looked at it, didn't you? What kind of shoes are those?
Air Zoom Invincible.
They kind of look like that Seinfeld special needs shoe.
Oh, with that Kramer wore? Where you went to the... Do you know why they invited you?
They think you're special needs.
Nah.
Can't believe you just... They're pink on the inside? What are you, gay?
Well, it was that or bright neon.
Bright neon what? Neon's not a color.
Bright like neon. Neon's a color.
What? No.
Neon
is
yellow.
not a color.
Neon yellow.
There you go. They say neon. What do you think?
If someone says neon,
I think orange. Blue.
No.
I think of a beer sign outside of a bar, or people get stabbed.
No, when someone says neon, your brain goes to like bright yellow.
Your brain does, but my brain's not stupid.
Oh no.
Rep the dicks.
I threw a softball pretty far.
Did you? Mm-hmm. The softball's... It's not soft. Change the name. Change it to big ball.
Big ball?
Yeah, we're playing... Me and the ladies out here playing big ball. Why is it so big? Is it so women can hit it?
Did I tell you about the time I got swished by a
fat
big
lady?
girl?
You did, yeah.
It was traumatizing.
Yep. You went from loving them
to hate
to putting a scale
to
in
anti-body positivity.
You were like, I love fat women. Now for Halloween, you dress up as a scale and scare them away.
Belch Nicholas, I judgeth you. Big.
Oh, I forgot to put on my hat. Let me grab my hat.
Look good, man.
Does look good. Look at this. Ready?
Oh,
Bam. You can do both sides. But this
God.
oh, yeah? Now I'm Australian, can't.
You're just a dad now.
Ah, yeah.
My dad wore that today.
Your dad did? He wore this today?
We wore like that kind of hat today.
What was he doing?
I guess he was outside. I don't know.
What was he doing outside?
I don't know. I was at a British
You
restaurant this morning.
should have paid attention to your dad.
I was at a British restaurant this morning.
I think I'm going to have to put my dog down. What do you think Abraham Lincoln's more famous for? Freeing the slaves, getting assassinated, or his big hat?
Oh,
That's a toughie.
that is a toughie. When you always see pictures of him, he's always wearing that big hat.
When I think Abraham Lincoln, I think bearded guy with big hat. I don't think slave freer or guy that
Yeah, like
got
you have
his
to
head
learn
blown.
about that. Like usually a lot of people like just don't know that. Like
Yeah.
usually
When you
learn that
go,
in school.
who freed the slaves? I don't know. Who had the big hat? Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln, yeah. Okay.
Okay. You're just going to get texts like that? What are you, Mr. Big Shot? Everybody loves you?
It's a move.
It's Move?
Move.
Who's Move? Who's this Move lady? She's trying to get up in it?
Oh, if only.
She's trying to get up in your pants and do the little naked dance. Put it here. Put it here. Come on. That was a good one.
That was pretty good.
That was a good one. Sometimes I got skills. Yeah, so I want to address this. We're not cooking anymore because I ran out of ideas.
Oh, we're not anymore?
I ran out of ideas.
So we're just done?
Well, we'll do it at like one every once in a while.
Then we should just do podcasts.
Well, that's what my plan was.
Okay.
To just talk.
Okay.
Because that's my talent is talking. I have no talents except talking and wearing this hat.
Excellent.
See that peanut butter over there?
I know. Is it
Just-
crunchy?
I don't know. I think it's for the dogs.
Well, better be
I just want to
crunchy.
say this. If you have a toaster oven, fuck you.
Wait, what's
Air
wrong
fry
with
gang. You know what I hated as a kid? There was a poster in my English class that said, "Whatever you are, be a good one." What if I'm a rapist? Should I be a good rapist? What does that even
You
mean?
always strive to do your best.
What does that mean? Does that mean rape 2 people a day? What does it mean?
Could you?
I could.
Could you?
You gotta go to the old folks' home.
Oh my god. You sure it's rape at that point? They might just want it. They want attention.
They got STDs, so maybe don't go
Oh
there.
god.
Go to the Special Olympics.
We should bring up like a canceling topic. I think it'd be funny.
Favorite cancer, go.
Cancer why? Probably.
These videos are also gonna be buffer videos because I want to do those change my mind stuff.
Okay.
Those would be fun. Us yelling at random strangers.
No, you should do like a topic another topic that like is pretty controversial. I'll try and like pretend to, like disagree with you.
No, I wanted to have us. Let's say this: we're out in public. We both say, if you like smooth peanut butter, you like to get butt raped or something. We put that on the poster.
Not that.
not that.
If
We
you
put
like
that-
smooth peanut butter, your mommy still feeds it to you.
No,
How
if
about
you
that?
like smooth peanut butter, you kick kittens in the trash or something. You put kittens in boxes on the road, something like that. And then we have strangers come up, and they disagree with us, and we call them idiots, and we
It's not a
It's not
debate.
civil. It's not civil at all.
It's not a civil debate. We're right.
I will critique your intellect. I will say that you are stupid. I will say
where
that
would we
you've
do
been
it?
butt raped
Where would
80
we-
times since you
Where
were
would we
born.
do it?
Let's put a table up wherever. I'll pretend I have permission.
You usually don't.
You know what I'll do is I'll just say I'm recording audio only. They can't tell you not to record audio. So I'll just yell at random strangers.
So where are you gonna hide the camera?
I'll just make someone hold it and be like, that person's not with me.
Yeah, who's that?
He's just a fan.
Some weird dude.
I don't know.
He's our number one pasta fagool fan. It's just James in the corner just going.
Yeah, baby.
We shouldn't say kids if I was to say if you like smooth peanut butter, you're just wrong.
I think we need something intriguing.
Just
If we
get
say
people to come.
if you're wrong, no one wants to come up and be like, actually, you're wrong. If you like smooth peanut butter, you're brain dead. Changing my mind.
Change my mind. Yeah, I thought it was supposed to be civil debate. Yeah, we're not changing my mind.
It's not a
Yeah, we're
civil
not-
debate.
This is not a civil debate. You're
Change
trying to change our
the-
mind, and we're gonna make sure you make
You know what ours is called? Change thy mind.
change thy mind.
Change thy mind, squire.
The actual change my mind guy shows up. Actually, you're done.
You go, I actually copyrighted Change My Mind, and you guys are getting sued. That's not very cash money.
You know what we should do is sometimes people do like random pillow fights. Like I think it'd be fun if we get the inflatable boxing things. Just like in rangers. Let's go, bro.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
They take them off and just
Just
straight
whoop
up.
us. It would be so funny until we get our
Fourth
asses
week in a row,
handed
we're
to
still 0-4.
This time we're fighting together.
We just give it to a child. Let's go. We need a win.
We need to win.
We need a dub.
Okay, theoretically, that's how you say it, right? Theoretically. How far could you punt a baby?
I don't know. It depends on heavy they
We
are.
were at Dixie one time, and I told you I'd give you $8 if you bust a kid. Imagine Spartan kicking like an 8-year-old down an escalator. Okay, let me finish this. Okay, you Spartan kick a 8-year-old down an escalator, and then while he's going down, he just keeps rolling back up.
What? This is the most. I think about Spartan kicking and
But just imagine, he's rolling down, but he's also coming back up on the escalator. He's an infinite loop of falling.
My other coworker was like, "Can someone talk to this kid? He's running up the down escalator," and I said, "Don't give him hope, man. Let kids be kids."
That's life right there.
That's
Running
life.
up the down escalator.
It's always such a rebel move. Like
I did that at the mall once, and I was like, "Where are the women at? Where are they? Did they just see that? How am I not
it's
slaying?"
such a weird thing as a kid, right? Or even now, like
I'm not supposed
like
to
it's
do-
motion going down, and you're repelling the motion. Like
You're like Jesus at the like
you're at the top. You're like,
I am Superman.
if there's a God, it's me.
Thighs are getting a little more muscular.
They are. If I were a woman, I'd rub them.
Well, you could rub them anyway.
No.
They're just hairy.
I think
They're getting more defined.
Yeah, man, you're getting there.
They're still weak.
It's all good.
They're getting there.
You just gotta play, soccer for 20 years. That's what I did.
Did you? You played it out of the womb?
Oh,
You
yeah.
You kicked your dad's balls out. Boom!
Yeah, like enters in. Yeah.
Goal.
Golazo.
This is how I imagine you were born. Sperm. There's one sperm. He kicks another sperm into the egg.
You realize all those other sperm could have been like the most
They could have
brilliant
been a
geniuses kid. Yeah, and I'm the one who won. Yeah, first time winning.
know what?
90% of men lose their virginity. Oh.
Just in general.
No, like just like that's a fact. It goes.
Just
I guess
in general?
10% of men never lose.
There's only one loser here.
Mm-hmm. We'll let you in the comments decide.
Hint. It's the guy with the
But-
shout out little spoon.
Right.
Shout out
If only I was
Cemetery.
short, but
You can say little spoon.
No,
you just
dude,
need
I've
to,
never.
You need to get
I've
a
never.
Viking woman.
I do, man. I do. My coworker, his last day, we played softball, and his girlfriend came, and she's like my height, man.
You should have asked for her friends. You have any tall friends?
Church girl too, so as guys do, like me and Alex or me and Ray or me and Ben are like, yo, let's wrestle, right? It's like, yo, we wrestling, right? Because like words like I could take you, right?
What?
So
Yo,
like,
dog, let's wrestle. You
Let's
know what would be
wrestle.
even better if you took your glasses off? What's the best chicken place? Chick-fil-A, obviously. Cane's, I think, is up there. When we
Yeah,
went
but
to
Chick-fil-A,
Cane's,
always.
I ate it and I went, oh my goodness. First off, I want to say this. Nobody cared that the fries are thinner. Nobody. The fries at Cane's have gotten thinner. I brought it up. You and Amari both, yeah, whatever, who cares? That's important. They've thinned them. They're giving us less
thick,
potatoes.
soggy fries are bad.
I don't like them either. But the important thing is that it's happened, and I seem to be the only person that's noticed. Thinner fries.
Well, that ends that debate because Chick-fil-A is the best chicken ever.
Okay, yeah, but nobody cared when I brought up the fries. I was shot down. It was like I was a
Well,
little
Meyer was kind of
kid.
getting annoyed with you. It was
was
clearly
like-
visible.
It was like I was a kid and my parents were like arguing, and I was just like, "Hey, what's up?" You're like, "Shut up, fuck you." They're thinner.
Okay.
They're thinner
Yep,
fries.
they're thinner. Yep, they're
See,
thinner.
you don't
Okay.
care now. It's important.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. It's important, and you should shut the fuck up and agree with me.
A lot of love in this room. A lot of love.
I bully you into submission.
Yeah.
That's all you want is to be submissed, right? Is that the word, submissed?
So,
You want to be submissed.
I want to be dominated.
You need a dummy mommy.
I do.
You need a 6'8".
See, the problem is the more single I get, like the lower my standards get, which is bad.
You know what?
Like I should always keep them high.
You need to put in your Tinder profile, I need a dummy mommy. Do it right now. Do it right now.
I don't have Tinder.
Download it and do it.
No.
Come on. I'll take a picture of it.
I'll do
put
it
in the
later.
video.
I'll do it later.
You need a dummy mommy. You need a woman that's gonna peg you.
Yeah, like 6 foot or above. That's it.
Just get super specific. 180 or below.
If you're over my weight, it has to be in muscle or not.
You must be able to bench 225.
If you can pick me up, we're good.
Justin just wants a girl that after a soccer game, she puts him over her shoulder and takes him to the van and gives him orange slices.
Dude, actually, like
She
one
gives
of the
him
one of the,
roadhead
guy, no,
while
one of the
she
guys on the
drives.
team, his girlfriend brought Capri Suns, and I was so excited.
Yeah.
Because they tasted so good. I just went to
What was
town.
that?
The suck game was strong.
Justin, you need a girl that's gonna give you roadhead while she drives.
Okay, like you're making me sound like I do need someone to like help, like just make
Help
help make good. I don't
You
like
need a therapist. That's what you
I don't like
need.
making big decisions. So like if someone else like makes them, I can
Like
blame
me?
I can blame them.
Like
And
me?
so I don't like blame myself.
I'm the decision guy.
You're the decision guy.
I'm the decision guy.
Okay.